And if you go goal down early on in a crunch game like this, it just completely can demoralize you, and then that can lead to a second or a third or a fourth. But for now, he's keeping the ball, and he's found Pele. Surely he has to take the shot, and decides to second guess himself, and that's the sign of a player low on confidence, but still has the ball with Ronaldo. For now, I think he's doing the right thing, just moving the ball around, searching for that opening. He's found Pele in acres of space several times, and again, not this time the turn. This time he's got it right, and off the post for DK.
Oh yeah, he certainly has to, because the way things have been working out over here. Look at all right, Kerala Blasters FC. This is such a good chance, and Pele, he's not gonna miss any chance in netting that one in. And that being said, Kerala Blasters FC, they've got one for themselves. And I was just telling about it. This was coming, right? We all saw it, and the way he was creating chances, we could see that DK was not really applying that little bit of an extra pressure.
Yeah, you have to feel for DK at this point. I mean, he was doing a fairly good job on defense as well. Wasn't really giving Akshat any clear route to goal, and in fact, he was the guy creating the chances. Goes for the finesse shot, but there you go, Van der Sar. Those long balls and try to win some headers. But for now, he's got Messi, he's got Ronaldo 9. He's getting into decent positions. He just needs to get that one chance that sticks, and he's going to be right back in this game. And I do get the feeling that it's not over for DK. And there you go. He takes the shot, but saved by Van der Sar. And again, ball almost won back. But Akshat knows now that he can just sit and manage this game. He doesn't need to really force the issue. He'll be very happy. 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. The outcome is the same. Of course, for his prestige and the pride. And there you go. That's the goal. And just look at DK. He's thinking, you know what? I took that exact same shot 2 minutes ago, and the keeper saved it, and this guy has gone with Ronaldo 9 on his weaker foot from a bad angle, and it's flying in. And just sometimes when it's up against you, it's just up against you.
For Hyderabad FC, who have been apparently been a little unlucky, and they still feel that they could do better in the form of which I really felt that DK hasn't really been able to challenge him. As Ronaldo, he's gonna net one more, and this is it. This is the kill that Akshat had been looking for. And Azim, so far it's, I think, safe to assume that the game might be done. Ronaldo has stolen again, Marquinhos being the hero for the defense, and now this is a breakthrough.
Oh no, you have to, again, you just feel so sorry for him right now.
Oh God, oh God.
Nutmegs the last defender of the shot as well. And DK, I think at this point, he's ready to rage quit. I mean, he's just so fed up. Again, he had the opportunity over there to take the shot, didn't manage to do it, and then suddenly the ball just sort of crept through his defender, goes through the legs of...
Look at those moves, look at the audacity. We haven't seen him play like this, and there you go, he's trying to go for both. Seen him in his past couple of games. He's been trying to create so many chances, but most of them either hit the crossbar or is defended by Van der Sar. Everything has not really worked out for him. His matches have been really close. So again, speculations, if eyebrows are going to be raised at how he's going to perform. But look at Adi Zima go! Oh my God, that is an absolute shell shocker moment here, as Hyderabad FC have managed to get one in for themselves. Just when we did not anticipate it, a pass coming on towards Messi, and he's gonna make no mistake in scoring that from the left foot of his. And the goalkeeper has been beaten over there. He's not out of harm's way, as Messi, he's just gonna burst through that right wing over there looking for that cutback, but Maldini is there to intercept, and quite a brave tackle out there, Messi falling off, but that,
which he rarely finds himself in with a defense that's not fully settled. And again, giving that ball away. A very high press from Lokmanian. This could be it. It is blocked and saved. The other person's strategy, and sort of try to create that perfect anti-strategy for it. But moving that ball in very nicely right now. He had a couple of opportunities to play it through, and there, using the pace from Mbappe, he has two men free in the box and decides to not go for the pass. Great switch of play with Zidane over there. Now he's got Messi in the box, trying to fire that in, of course, this time, and he gave it straight back. Oh my goodness.
Then Akshat's hard work will come down to nothing at all. But Pele, he's got a good opening. He's going to still find someone over there, as Cruyff is trying to fight it around with Cullen. He's played a good game of FIFA. And look, Manu, at this point, he's got to be frustrated with how the result has gone. And there you go, Adi Zima.
looks like Hyderabad FC. It's a very interesting combination that they have of Adizima, of course, who's very good defensively. Hang on, they do have a shot over here. Take the shot. Yes, he takes it and straight at Van der Sar again. And falls to Ronaldo. He goes past the keeper and he's, oh my goodness, he just can't get it away.
Hyderabad FC gaining back that possession. That is exactly what they need at this point. But well, Kerala Blasters FC, they're sort of relentless, you know. Mbappe giving it away to Vitsperre. This is a good chance. Tron has to score, and yes, he does, as they've managed to net one through. And this has to be really easy. Sort of, throws you to ask yourself that question: what went wrong with the defense? Managed to beat two defenders. He's got to find the right pass, so he's got more numbers. Directly going in for the shot. Azim. Now, Kerala Blasters FC, they've created a good opening, giving it on towards Mbappe, and that was a weird.
Is that a penalty?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a penalty, and well, the luck continues to evade Hyderabad FC. Let's see, are they going to go straight down the middle, or will they try to change it up? It's saved by Van der Sar, and suddenly very clear with your teammate about what you want them to do. Of course, you can't be too loud because then the guys on the opposite bench will hear you. But that worked out reasonably well for Hyderabad FC, and that's worked out well. It's got Pele in there. Surely has to shoot, and finally the goal. I think that might be DK's goal, but I won't speculate on it yet. And that's exactly what Hyderabad FC wanted and needed, and exactly what the game needed as well, because now both sets of players will be under pressure. The momentum is with Hyderabad FC, and Kerala Blasters now back to square zero, and they have it all to do.
Yeah, and it is again.
They still are yet to play a lot of the teams in the bottom half of the table along with them. This is brilliantly worked though between Lokmanyu and Akshat. Takes the shot straight at Van der Sar, though I think he should have gone far post, but typically the defenders will intercept it. Now Messi taking on Marquinhos, who of course is on a yellow card. Pele with space to move into nutmegging, and it's a Rabona shot. When you're timing the finish, you look really of where the player is going to land and make contact with the ball, and in the Rabona it's not the most natural movement, so it's hard to know exactly when, but surely this has to be it. It is a goal. You can see the celebrations on the Kerala Blasters FC bench, and the pressure has finally told, but still time though for Hyderabad FC to come and make a comeback again. Pele and Ronaldo, and now Ronaldo 9 getting into the box, needs to go and search for that search for the pass. Is that going to be a penalty? No, it's not. We do see it is Ronaldo and Eusebio. Surely the shot now straight at the keeper.
Eat away as much time as possible, but no. Kerala Blasters FC, they are hungry for so much more. This is a beautiful opening, and this surely has to go in. But is that an offside or is that a score?
It's offside. It's offside. 2 minutes of added time, so they will get another opportunity. Has the opportunity to look for Ronaldo. Looks like he's going solo for it. Yes, he is. Kicked out. There will still be a time. I think he kicked it out hoping that the ref would blow the whistle, but there is one half attack more or less left, and yeah, that's